Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're gonna take a look at Housecall Pro, Jobber and Servicetitan to see which one is the best for home service. So I have here a list with the pros and cons for each one of them. We're gonna take a look at Housecall Pro first. Best for small to mid-sized teams. They offer simple scheduling, invoicing, payments, and great mobile app, and it's easy to set up and use. The downside that it's limited advanced features for large teams. Then we have Jobber, which is best for small service business wanting simplicity. They offer scheduling, quotes, invoices, and CRM. They have a clean user-friendly interface, and it's great customer support. The downsides, less powerful reporting automation than others. Then we have Servicetitan, which is best for large or fast-growing teams. They offer advanced dispatch, call tracking, marketing, and reporting. They have deep integrations and robust features, and it's great. It's a great build for HVAC, plumbing, electrical, etc. The downside, expensive and complex for small businesses. So these are the pros and cons. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.